Hey Chaco Nation, this is Josh from the Chaco marketing team.
This is Phil with the Field Scout in Portland, Oregon.
Hey, it's Jamie from the Chaco marketing team.
My name's Lisa. I run the factory.
Hi, my name is Lindy. I just wanted to provide a quick update.
At Chaco, we are a 30-year-old sandal company.
We're best known in the outdoor industry, which is kind of our bread and butter for the last 30 years.
We've spent the better part of the last year developing a mobile factory.
We were going to take on the road to South by Southwest, and then South by Southwest gets canceled.
And we started seeing some early signs of how this virus might affect our supply chain. It immediately became aware to us that this was going to have a larger impact than we had initially thought.
And I think for us, we just looked at it and we said, listen, this is a problem that is so big that it could certainly be an excuse to do nothing, like that feeling of helplessness.
For us to just not do anything, it just didn't seem right for us.
We just decided to figure it out.
It really came together over the course of a weekend. Our head of marketing had this idea, hey, we have equipment, sewing machines, a fully trained staff.
We very quickly retrofitted our factory operations from making and repairing sandals into making face masks.
One of the best things we did was sort of just jump in and communicate out that we were doing this.
We've got a team working at our factory in Rockford, Michigan, and then a remote team in Portland.
I have just really great people that work here. They want to help. They felt morally obligated to do the right thing.
We hope to have 400 masks made by the end of this week.
And this week they'll create just over 1,000 masks to donate.
And what that has led to is an awareness of the magnitude of this issue and how much need there really is out there.
And it's been really wonderful to see the outpouring of support.
We've received a ton of letters, cute cards to distribute to the healthcare workers. That's so awesome.
We would read these out loud and we'd start getting all teary-eyed. I mean, humanity is such an amazing thing.
Thank you for helping all the sick people.
At the end of the day, we look at these challenges as something that you have to go through, not something you can necessarily work around. What we're doing is what we can, and I think we would just encourage everybody to just think about what you can do, because everybody has something to offer.